Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I'll show to you how to track AliExpress Standard Shipping. Open AliExpress on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right and go to section My Orders. Now find order that you want to track and click button Track Order, or also it can say View Details. So now you should see something like that I have on my screen. This is a screenshot of tracking page of the order, where basically you can see your estimate delivery time, your carrier, tracking number, and of course your shipping updates right here. So my screenshot says that shipment is ready for dispatch, but yours can say something like shipped, arrived at sorting center, ready for delivery, etc. It depends on at which stage your package currently is. But for example, if you don't like this built-in tracker, you can copy your tracking number by tapping this button and enter it and pasting it to universal tracker. For example, like 17 track website, this is the name of it. This is a tracker that AliExpress usually offers to use, but it doesn't really matter which exactly tracker you use because they all work according to similar principle. And basically it will show you more detailed updates about your shipping. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.